Hello. Today, I'm going to show you a nice comparison video about two nice devices. A Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra versus the iPhone 15 Pro. Ha! Is it worth upgrading? Maybe. Today we are comparing two flagship smartphones from different generations. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra released in 2026 and the Apple iPhone 15 Pro in 2023. Can Apple's Compact Pro model still compete against the Samsung latest Ultra flagship? Or is the S26 Ultra in a completely different league? We will compare design, display, performance, camera, battery, AI features, software, gaming, video recording, and value for the money. Let's get started with that, yeah? Okay, let's start with design and the build quality. The iPhone 15 Pro introduces the Apple's titanium frame and remains one of the most premium feeling compact smartphones ever made. Meanwhile, the Samsung refined the Ultra design with a slimmer bezel, a flatter sides, and a larger premium display. The iPhone 15 Pro comes with 6.1-inch compact size, titanium frame, ceramic sheet glass, very lightweight and pocket-friendly, excellent one-handed usability. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a massive 6.90 inches display, Gorilla Glass armor protection, integrated S Pen, a premium aluminum frame, bigger camera housing, and designed for productivity. Yeah, if you love compact phones, of course the winner is the iPhone. If you want the biggest possible display with the maximum functionality, yeah, you should go to the Galaxy, of course. But I prefer the iPhone in this step. The display technology has evolved dramatically over 3 years. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with 6.9 inches dynamic AMOLED, QHD+, adaptive 1 up to 120 Hz, extremely high brightness, excellent anti-reflection coating, and outstanding HDR experience. The iPhone 15 Pro, on the other hand, comes with 6.1 inches Super Retina XDR OLED display, 100 Hz Pro Motion, fantastic color accuracy, very sharp, still one of Apple's best display. All touch, the iPhone screen still looks fantastic. The Samsung's larger panel simply offers more immersion, better multitasking, superior media consumption, and stronger outer visibility. A little peak, the Galaxy S26 Ultra wins, but not much. Performance, baby. A 17 Pro was revolutionary in 2023, but 3 years later, Samsung's newest Snapdragon platform delivers noticeably higher CPU and GPU performance, especially during the multitasking demanding workflows. That's good for gaming, video editing, AI processing, DAX desktop mode, and heavy multitasking. The S26 Ultra has the edge there. The iPhone 15 Pro is still incredibly fast for everyday tasks. But the Samsung's newer hardware offers more headroom for the future apps and AI features. The winner is definitely the S26 Ultra. Let's go to the camera. Probably the bigger difference there is the iPhone 15 Pro with 48 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 3 times telephoto, excellent color science, and fantastic video quality. Apple still produces some of the most natural looking photos and industry leading video. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with 200 megapixel of main camera, ultra-wide camera, 3 times telephoto, 5 times periscope zoom, AI editing tools, advanced computing photography, and significantly stronger long-range zoom. Samsung also improves the low light performance and offers more creative shooting modes. Zoom. Yeah, not even close. Samsung dominates there. Night photography. Samsung generally captures brighter image with more detail, while the Apple delivers a more natural look. Video. Apple still excels with a consistent color grading, stabilization, and ProRes workflows. The overall winner here is the Ultra S26. Video creators who prioritize Apple's ecosystem but may still prefer the iPhone. Let's go to battery life. Power battery. The battery technology has improved consistently. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with 5000 mAh battery, excellent endurance, fast wired charging, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging is possible. The iPhone 15 Pro battery remains efficient thanks to the RS optimization, but its smaller battery means shorter runtime, especially during the heavy use. The winner definitely is the S26 Ultra. Let's go to the AI features. Samsung has more than AI, one of the biggest selling points of the Ultra. It is included live translation, AI writing tools, photo editing, object removal, productivity assistance, intelligent search, advanced image generation, smart summaries. The iPhone 15 Pro supports many Apple Intelligence features, but some are limited by hardware generations rollout, while Samsung's latest flagship provides a broader AI toolkit. So the winner is clearly the S26 Ultra. So Samsung's comes with more stuff with it at the edges. Includes features which has Apple simply doesn't have. An S Pen, Samsung DAX, multi-window, advanced file management, and split-screen apps, floating windows. For work, Samsung feels much closer to carrying a mini laptop. The winner is in this category the S26 Ultra. Gaming, Bosch phones delivers flagship gaming performance. We have here this Samsung offers a larger display, better cooling, higher assistantly performance, and a bigger battery. The iPhone still has an excellent optimized and a superb game library, but Samsung's larger screen and newer chipsets make a stronger choice for extended gaming sessions. Yeah, the winner is S26. Software, the most common known to the personal preferences is there. iPhone, very simple, long software support, tight Apple ecosystem, and a great continuing with the Mac and the iPad and Apple Watch. Samsung comes with Android 16, One UI, deep customization and more multitasking, more personalization, better productivity tools. So we should choose the ecosystem that fits to you, the device, and workflow is the best. Now let's get to the value. The iPhone 15 Pro is now available at a significantly lower price than it was at the launch time. That's making it an attractive option for buyers who want the premium Apple hardware without paying the flagship launch prices. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, on the other hand, is more expensive, but it also delivers Samsung's latest display, camera, AI compatibility, productivity tools, and a long-term flagship performance. So, buy the iPhone 15 Pro if you prefer the iOS. Want a compact premium phone, record lots of professional videos, already own Apple products. Buy the Galaxy S26 Ultra if you want the best Android flagship, need outstanding zoom photography, want advanced AI features and use multitasking regularly, and you like the S Pen. Prefer a large display as well. While the iPhone 15 Pro remains an excellent flagship in 2026, Samsung's latest Ultra pulls ahead in the display technology, camera versatility, AI features, productivity, battery life, and a draw performance. This making more complete package that's the most useful out there. So if you enjoy this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe me, and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you on my channel. Sun.